Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So the first thing we need to do is press the three bars in the upper right and then press settings, scroll down and then press account, and that should open up your account settings. Scroll down and press switch to a professional account and then just press continue. After that, just select what your business is going to be about. So I'm just going to choose an example and then press done. It should take a while to set up your account and then choose business, press next. And then after that, just press log into Facebook, and that should link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So just select which Facebook account you want to use, and I'm going to select mine. So just press continue after you're done, and then press yes, finish setup if you want to finish setting your Facebook account. That should take a bit to open. Then you just need to create a Facebook page if you want to link your Facebook page. I don't have one, so I'm going to create one. So just fill in your data about your Facebook page, and after that you should be ready to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So I'm just going to solve some problems it has with the name. Press done after you're finished. And after that, you have successfully linked your Facebook account to your business account on Instagram. So just fill in the data you want on your business account for Instagram that doesn't have anything to do with the Facebook account. That's just for the Instagram account, and you just fill that in. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you found the video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.